Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. This video has been well requested. This is pretty much going to be about my face, body, skin routine. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned and keep watching. So I received my Pure Skin items about like a month ago, and I've been testing these out because I honestly wanted to do an honest review for you guys. And these products are absolutely amazing. They sent me the face mask, a skin calmer. They sent me their bath soak and some leave-in conditioner and body butter. And you guys, I definitely love these items. They are truly amazing. And I'm just going to go by each and every item step by step. So I am getting my face mask together since, you know, it's already the end of the day. And I love this face mask, and I have to say this is like my overly well favorite out of everything, because not only does it fight acne, but it shrinks pores and it brightens and evens tone. And it's also a face mask that eliminates wrinkles. So it also has like this nice spice smell to it, kind of makes you want to eat it. I don't know, it smells like spicy pumpkin. And you just mix up everything in the face mask, and you just take water and you just stir it and just apply it on your face. The instruction says to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So that's what I normally do. It normally takes about 5 through 10 minutes for the face mask to actually dry once it is applied. And after it's applied, you just rinse it off with nice warm water. And yeah. So once 10 minutes has went by, I went on ahead and rinsed my face off, and I'm just going to spray the Skin Calmer. This is a naturally balanced pH that prevents acne and heals sunburns and soothes bug bites and toned skin. And you guys, this spray is absolutely amazing, and it really smells like tea tree oil, and I love tea tree oil because it's really good against acne, so that is a bonus. And under my wigs, I love to make sure that my hair is well protected and hydrated. And when they sent me the leave-in conditioner, I was very excited. So I definitely had to try this out. And I've honestly seen a difference within like a couple of weeks. This is supposed to be leave-in conditioner that prevents breakage and promotes healthy, strong hair. And this is their rose milk bath soak, and it's, you know, for to smooth soft skin. And you guys, this is very soothing, and it has like these dry rose petals, and it says in the instructions that you take either 2 tablespoons or 3. I like to use 3. And once you get everything together in your water, I just step on in and I just relax in the bath water and take my bath in there for, you know, about a good 10 minutes. And it really is a difference within my skin once I am out. And as you can see, look at those rose petals in the water. So it's very soothing. I absolutely love this stuff. Absolutely. After the tub, I normally use the Healing Body Butter for hydration. And you guys, it's absolutely nice, and it smells like chocolate and just pure delight. So I thank you guys for watching my video. That wraps about everything with my skincare routine. And until next time, I will see you dolls later. Bye.